Hi, I am from Tabontemwaneaba Primary School and this is our message. Hi, COVID-19 is a worldwide disease named for coronavirus in 2019. Called for corona with virus T4 disease. Then it spread out all over the world. So, be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe. Be ready to fight COVID-19.
Tell me please.
And now it is spread,
But how?
through these kinds of action.
What action?
Attending occasions, joining hands together, hugging with your friends, coughing and sneezing without a mask. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends. Touching and holding contaminated objects without hand washing can transmit the COVID-19 easily. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends. These are the steps to avoid COVID-19. These are the steps to avoid COVID-19. Wash your hands with clean water and soap to avoid COVID-19. Distancing 2 meters from your friends to avoid the spreading of COVID-19. Wear your mask when sneezing and coughing to maintain health for COVID-19. Remember to eat balanced diet, well-cooked food, and not to share food, drinks, and personal items. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. Care for neighbors and friends. All the children around the world. Care for neighbors and friends.
Now that you are aware of the COVID-19, you surely know what to do in order to survive. Are you then ready to fight this dreadful disease before it ruins your happiness? So, let's join hands together to fight against COVID-19.